It is Tuesday morning, about 7:15, and it is the 7th of July, 2009. We are headed over to the boat haven at Port Townsend to haul the boat out. And it is a beautiful morning. It is mostly cloudy. In fact, it looks like it's all cloudy. But look how calm the water is. That means there's no wind. And as you will see in a little bit, the spot we got to put the boat in is a very, very little tiny spot. And with no wind, that is a nice feature. We're coming into the boat haven now. As you can see from the water line, we are almost at low tide. It is, let's see, what time is it right now? 7:33. Low tide is 11 o'clock, but it's a red tide today. It's a negative 1.7 feet. Here is the Coast Guard, little Coast Guard cutter stationed here at Port Townsend. I'm trying to steer at the same time here. Last time we were here is when we took possession of the boat about 3 years ago from Dan Fisher, and it was in October, and the wind was just howling. I mean, it was gale force wind in here, so I am very, very happy to see that we don't have much wind this morning, because this is a tight spot to go into without wind. We're now tied up at the dock in the boat haven, and so what we'll need to do is bring the boat down into this spot here, which they call the notch. And I'm so glad there's no wind. Then after we get over here, then we get picked up by the beast. See the straps there? Lowers down into the water, and they pick us up out of the water. This one over here is the huge beast. That is the 300-ton lift, and you got to see the size of the boats they pull out of the water with that.
I'm videoing this morning. Our boat's going to be on that thing with the straps. And there's these handsome men helping us.